Welcome to Math Beyond Borders. Mathematics Simplified. Oh geniuses! In today's video, let's discuss the measurements of length, what are the units and how they are related. Okay, so as you can see on the screen already, I have put some measurements here. Now, due to space restrictions and time, I'm not going to write out all of them, but let's go together and say whatever you know. So this one is a millimeter. This one is a centimeter. This one is a decimeter. Then comes the standard unit of measurement, which is meter. This is the SI unit, right? And then comes decameter. Then comes hectometer, and then comes kilometer, right? We all know that kilo means 1000, hecto means 100, deca means 10, and everything is then, and then when you go above meter, it divides the same way. Deci means divided by 10, centi means divided by 100, milli means divided by 1000. It's exactly a mirror opposite. So let's just say 1 meter equals 1 meter. So just increase the zero. Decameter will be 10 meters. Hectometer will be 100 meters. And kilometer will be 1000 meters. Right? And the mirror opposite in the decimal places we will do above. So decimeter will be 0.1 meter. Centimeter will be 0.01 meter. And millimeter will be 0.001 meter. Now you see, when it was kilo, there were 3 zeros. When it was milli, there were 3 decimal places. And you see, this is the mirror opposite of how it is going. Right? It's a straightforward way. Okay, so now you see, I've just put, like some random examples of how to do the conversion, but I will give you a trick on how you can do it. If you remember this table, all you have to do is add number of zeros when you are going this direction and reduce the number of zeros when you're going to this direction. And reducing means can go 2 decimals. And let me show you how. For example, if you have to go from centimeter to meter, centimeter to meter, the relationship will be 2 steps, which means 2 zeros. The direction we are flowing is this, so which means we add 2 zeros. So now if it would be, let's say 7 centimeters, it will be equal to the other way. So if it will be 7 meters, it will be 700 centimeters. Yes, so remember, if we are trying to okay, also other way. So if it is 7 centimeters, it will be, can someone take a guess? It will be 0.07 meters. Same relationship, right? When I wanted to go from this to this, I added 2 zeros. When I wanted to go from this to this, I went 2 times after the decimal place. This is the logic. If you will keep it in your mind, you will always find right answers to this. So just make this step. Remember, this one is deci and this one is deca, and the zeros, every step means 1 zero. That's simple, right? Let's try more examples like this, right? Let's convert something from kilometer to centimeter. Let's say we had, I don't know, just let's keep it very simple. We had 1 kilometer. So how many centimeters in 1 kilometer, right? So let's start counting. 1 0, 2 0, 3 0, 4 0, and 5 0. So it should be 1, and then 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. These many centimeters make 1 kilometer. It's that straightforward, right? So all you need to do is to identify how many steps you need to go and then make 0 or decimal points based on that. Let me show you the reverse way of it, okay? Let's now go the other way. Let's say we have 7 centimeters. How many kilometers would that be? Cool. So 7, let's write like this. And now let's start to, because we need decimal places. So let's start to count. Now 1, from centimeter to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we need 5 decimal places. There is 1 7 and then 4 zeros. Those many kilometers equals 7 centimeter, right? So I will say the logic once again. I can try it on your own. Leave me a comment if you need more videos on this. But just remember, make this table whenever you have conversion going on. Just remember this MCD, DMK, right? And M is always in the middle alone, right? And then if you are trying to go this way, right? What you do, you reduce zeros. So for example, if you have MM and you're trying to find DM, you reduce zeros. And if you are going this way, you increase zeros, right? And 1 0 at a step. Easy, right?
Thank you for learning with us. Please share the video with those who you think may need it. Also, if you want to request a topic, put that in the comments section. So until the next video, keep learning, keep questioning. Bye.